Today's episode is 70 and 90 reacts to them getting pranked twice. Enjoy the video.
Greetings. We're 70 and 90. Today we're going to do a reaction where our snores got replaced with number block 63's effect by Choni Wongmo.
But last time, she replaced our snores with number block 52's effect, and now, she's replacing our snores with number block 63's effect. Anyways, let's get straight into the reaction.
Oh my gosh. What the hell is wrong with you?
This is even worse than our snores replaced with number block 52's effect.
Now, you made us snore horribly agitating now thanks to you. It's all your crooked fault.
Yes. I made him.
Thank gosh this video flipping ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 98.